let's get ready. I need to look alive. I just took shower and I actually use सबसे पहले this toner which is from the oh god, the Face Shop. I'm so sorry. So this is actually moisturizing toner and it is also very hydrating. Like for me, I have like crazy dry skin, so this is the best. I mean, this is the magic to the dryness of the skin that I have actually. This is very, very liquidy. Like, look, very watery. So I'm going to just apply it on my face. I don't have a time for, so many steps and whatever because I'm a working mother and then I need to look alive also the entire day. So I'll just do the quick thing that I do it, and I need a lot of toner because this gives a hydration all day long because it is hot these days and all of that. And then I will follow up with again the Face Shop ka collagen moisturizer that I actually love it. This is a bit pricey. This is like 2,500, but it actually lasts like, oh god, this lasts like 3 months, I think. This is a like best cream for the dryness and worth paying single penny because it does last long. And आपको लगता है कि God knows last कब खरीदे, and थोड़ा सा ही cream, it is actually good enough. You don't need like a lot of cream to apply. It gives you like an instant moisturizing, hydration, and your skin will not break out and all of that. So I think I love this cream, and I do not use any sunscreen and all of that because I'm not going out, or I don't even generally like sunscreen because it feels very chippy. So yeah, chippa, whatever you can call it. So here it is. Okay, so now I will directly put makeup on my face. Before that, I need this. So I just took a hair shower and I need a hair serum. This is from the Minimalist. Look at that. And this is so good. It is actually repairing, and it also has argan oil. It also has repair and protect hair bonds, and it is all hair type. So yeah, look at that. This is so good. And I love the bottle. I think I got this for $4.99 if I'm not wrong. I'll put here so that you guys can check it out. So yeah, I'm going to use this. Look at that. Wow. This is so good. So I think I will take like a couple of drops. Should be enough. Yeah, I think. How does it smell? It smells like nail polish. Mild nail polish. But उतना strong नहीं है. So I'll just apply it here and then I'll blow dry and I'll get ready for the bag. Should I show you the bags? It's really good. I think that bag is all that you need. You don't need so many bags and all of that when you're traveling, or even if you are a mother. I have like a backpack and a diaper bag. I think you guys will absolutely like it, and got it from Amazon only. So yeah. So I'm done with this. I think I need a couple of more drops to put it in my hair ends. Okay, so now I do not use any, what do you say, foundation or something. I just do not. Unless I'm going for the party or something, I will just put this lip gloss from Fay Beauty, and this is a set of 3. Let me show you. And this is a mini version. इसका I think बड़ा pack भी available है, but I want to try it out, so मैं ये try कर रही हूँ. और ये बहुत मैंने I think खाली भी कर दिया इसको. Very perfect for traveling as well. But I'm going to use this shade, and I'm going to show you guys कि ये कैसा लगता है. It's very glossy. Like it's very glossy, it lasts long, and it helps कि आपका जो lip है वो dry out ना हो जाए. So look at that. Look, it is so good because you get a little bit of color also. Let me show you. Look, मैंने ज़्यादा ही निकाल लिया थोड़ा. Let me see. I think, yeah, it is fine. And then I'm going to use K Beautica this sorry, blush. This is also very travel friendly. This is very creamy if you have a dry skin. But I have also this rare Beautica that my sister gifted to me. This, but I use this whenever I'm going for parties or something. But for daily use, I think I use this K Beauty. So I'll just put like a couple of dots like this. I don't really need much of these. और ये बहुत लंबा चल रहा है यार, मेरे पास ये बहुत टाइम से है. Blend with this. This also I got it from Amazon only, I think. Okay, I look alive now, but look at it. Like, I don't put so much of makeup. What did you see? You see lip gloss, you saw the blush. That's it. Nothing else I would need it the entire day. This is good to go for me. And if I'm going for the party, the extra makeup. So when I do that, I feel like, I'm very into dressing up when I'm going out and all that. It feels like newness. If I do it like every day, when I'm going out, it feels like I do it the same every single day. It doesn't matter. But that's really nice. So yeah, I need to also set my hair. So I recently colored my hair. I know it looks like there's too much color in my hair. So I'll also show you how I colored and what color did I actually use, and I got it from Amazon. So yeah, I'll show you that. Okay, I need to show you a little vanity that I have. Like, okay, here, and oops. So this is the entire thing that I have it right here. It looks so good. So I have it from Tash Hair. I love that brand, and I have made so many reels on my Instagram. Go and check it out too. So I have their hair styler. I have their hair curler as well, and I have their all 5-in-1 this hair styling tool. Let's look at that. I've made this reel as well. I'll attach in the video so that you guys can check it out कि मैंने क्या review दिया था. But I use it on a daily basis also. It's really good, really fast, and but ये जो straightener है ना, Philips का है that I got it from Amazon. मैं बहुत Amazon ही से ही खरीदती हूँ. I don't very rarely I go to Flipkart, but yeah, mostly Amazon. I feel it's my safety spot, and Nykaa. These two things I would really love to go back to if I need to buy anything. And then this comes with 5 different attachments. I'm going to use this attachment, and I'm going to use their blow drying attachment as well. It's super easy to do actually. You just need to press this button here, and then yeah, it's all ready. Let's do that. Okay, girna mat. All right, let me keep you guys here. Oh, sorry. So yeah. So this is done, and now I need to just style. My hair dried almost. Now it's time to style. Now I'm going to change the brush. I'm going to use this brush, not this one now, because this is done. And this is super easy, yaar. Matlab, in 1 in 5, absolutely, you don't have to invest so much of money buying so many other tools. Or plus, itni rakhne ki jagah bhi nahi hoti hai. So I think this is just best. So I'm all set to shoot. This is my Osmo Pocket 3. As you can see, look at that. Hi. So this is my best friend, I'm telling you. The combination of Osmo Pocket एंड देन दिस ट्राईपॉड, ओ गॉड, दिस ट्राईपॉड का मैंने पूरा पूरा रील बनाया हुआ है. आई विल गिव यू द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द वीडियो, यू कैन check it out. If you are a creator and you want to create like so many angles in a video, this one tripod can actually do the job. I'm literally telling you guys. So I've got the bags and let's shoot. So this is my shooting background जहाँ पे वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ. And then yeah, let's do it. Let's go. I forgot the mic. All right, so these are the two bags. Let me show you guys as well. Look at that. This is from the brand called Zook, and okay, I need to show you guys so much in this. इसमें इतना ज़्यादा space है ना, like literally. Let me show you. So, I'm a mother and I'm a traveler as well. So I think this is such a beautiful backpack. I think I got it for 2,000 rupees. It's 1999. So देखो ये है लैपटॉप रखने के लिए and look at that. There's so many space here also. Okay, now there is a second zip as well. So if you're not a mother also, if you're just a traveler also now, this is so good. Just look at that. If I remove this, okay. Look at this, the space here. You can actually keep your clothes or something जो आप ऊपर में रखना चाहते हो. So I'm going to keep a lot of food. Like look at that, like literally massive space, massive. So you get here one pack यहाँ पे. So you actually get यहाँ पे एक space, यहाँ पे एक space. So here this is for the laptop and all your gadgets. This is for your clothes या whatever you want to keep it in your backpack when you're traveling, whatever your needs are. So और इसके अंदर भी ना देखो pockets बनी हुई है, बहुत सारी chains है, pockets हैं. And अब सामने भी है इसके, यहाँ भी देखो, this also you have a space. And ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा है यार, इतना space है. और then front में भी यहाँ पे एक space दे रखा है, इसको भी निकालना पड़ेगा. यहाँ भी एक space दे रखा है, यहाँ space दे रखा है, और फिर यहाँ स्पेस दे रखा है, फिर यहाँ स्पेस दे रखा है, और ये सारी स्पेस के अंदर भी स्पेसेस हैं. एंड नाउ ओके, अब आपको बॉटल रखने के लिए भी यहाँ पे स्पेस दिया हुआ है, बोथ द साइड्स. ओ गॉड, ओके. एंड दे हैव इन सो मेनी कलर्स, वेराइटी, डिज़ाइन. आई वॉज इन लव विथ दिस बैग. अगर मैं क्वालिटी की बात करूँ ना, डूड, 10 में से ना मैं 100 दे सकती हूँ. लाइक लिटरली लुक एट दैट. एंड प्लस इसका जो और इसमें जो ये जो इसका स्ट्रैप दिया हुआ है ना, दिस स्ट्रैप इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. शोल्डर पे पेन नहीं होने वाला है. इट लुक्स सो गुड. प्लस देखो क्वालिटी अच्छी है, सुंदर दिखता है, प्लस ये सुपर यूजफुल है. इससे बेस्ट और कुछ भी नहीं मिलने वाला है. एंड इट्स सुपर नाइस यार. आई मीन I love the texture of this. Look at this. Look at that. What else you need? And the second bag that I got from R for Rabbit, and this bag is a diaper bag. Okay, so I have a toddler with me and I needed the diaper bag as well. So this is for me, that I can keep all of my stuff and my laptop, camera if I'm vlogging, I'm traveling, all of that. And then secondly, I need for my baby girl as well. इसमें 2 कलर्स थे, इसमें लाइट पिंक कलर भी था. But look at that. Woohoo! Look, it is super. Okay, the material is super nice. Like literally, look at the material. ये पूरा कपड़े का बना हुआ है यार. The best part is, आप इसको ऐसे भी पकड़ सकते हो, आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Space मत पूछो. सो यहाँ पे सामने में एक स्पेस दे रखा है. हियर यू हैव अ स्पेस. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज डायपर बैग में ना आपको बहुत सारे पैकेट्स नहीं चाहिए होते हैं. डायपर बैग हमको चाहिए होता है कि एक बार आप खोलो और आपको सब कुछ मिल जाए आपके बच्चे के लिए, बिकॉज बच्चे ना आपको इतना टाइम नहीं देते हैं कि आप अलग अलग पॉकेट्स में चेक करो. सो दैट्स द रीज़न आपको ये ऐसे चाहिए होता है, लाइक प्रॉपरली. लाइक लुक एट द स्पेसिंग. This is massive, massive. Like ऐसे करो, ऐसे खोलो, इतना जगह है इसमें. Like look at that. And let me show you. अभी इसमें you get a pocket here. You also get a side pockets here. Or also the best part is when you open this, you get the mat. This is a diaper changing mat, but अगर आपके बच्चे टॉडलर हो गए, बड़े हो गए, डायपर चेंजिंग मैट अगर नहीं भी चाहिए, you can actually use it to keep your food somewhere, or like it's a multi-use. It's a mat. You can use it for anything, not just for a diaper, but you get this extra thing. And I think this was also for 2000 something. I think yeah, this was for 2000, and even this was for around 2000 only. So yeah, I mean quality check, like literally super good quality. तो यहाँ पे आ गया ये सब कुछ, the best. And then it has a zip so that everything is very secure and super nice. Oh God. I mean, this two bag is a must-have bags. I mean, literally in your life, if you are a mother, get this too. If you are single, not a mother, get this. You are working in office, get this. Traveling, get this. You are a working mother, get this. Vlogger, get this. Like literally I'm telling you, this bag is everything. I love this bag a lot. Oh God, this is super nice. But now I've showed you everything, and this is the end of the vlog. We'll continue in some other video what my day, and like you know how vlog works. So yeah, bye bye for now. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, because if you do subscribe, I get motivated to actually create and show you guys so many things in life, that what I have learned, what's in my bag, what I eat, the routine, how I manage my content creating, my motherhood, my house. I'm also a housemaker. So there's so many things coming up. If you guys are interested, do follow me for more content. So yeah, up to finally bye bol rahi. We'll see you in the next video.